I founded Cloud Plus with the vision of delivering a highly integrated suite of services to end clients via MSPs, via the channel. A lot of MSPs are still trying to design and deliver solutions from scratch for their clients using a combination of hardware, software, professional services and services from various service providers. There's a lot of inherent risk that comes with that, the potential that they'll have to eat professional services costs or that something may not work as expected. Whereas with Cloud Plus, we've got a pre-integrated suite of services that just works and they can get it to market quickly and effectively. We offer a really broad suite of services. We use network as the foundation, get the plumbing right. And then on top of that, we've got hosting, backup and disaster recovery and voice, and security is baked into everything we do. Our cloud solution framework's a pre-integrated suite of ICT services that just works. And that gives our partners the ability to go to market quickly and effectively with less risk and a lot less work. Our managed firewall service is the hub of typically every solution that we provide out to clients. With that, you have a full next generation firewall feature set, and all the additional services that we might offer to clients are effectively just a VLAN off managed firewall. So a VLAN out to hosting, a VLAN out to a voice solution. It's simple, it's effective, and it's highly secure. With our cloud solution framework, with managed firewall at the core, all of the additional services that a client might typically connect with us are coming into the network at 10 gig or better. Cloud Plus was founded on the basis of a blue ocean strategy with a view to creating a seamless portfolio of services where every service element is best of breed. Well, there aren't many service providers out there that are solely channel focused, let alone being able to offer such a broad range of best of breed services purely through the channel. Our services are designed for a very high level of fault tolerance, and that gives us the means to be able to offer a 100% uptime guarantee for many of our services backed by rebates. One of the things that our channel partners really appreciate is the fact that regardless of what element of a solution they're calling us about, one call to our NOC and they can get support across the whole stack. One of the typical problems that clients face is they might have brought, for instance with a voice solution, a phone system from one vendor, and they bought various other service elements, their network, the SIP trunk, etc. From other suppliers. And when there's an issue, everyone does this. So when someone buys a solution from Cloud Plus and we provide the whole stack, again, one call to our NOC and the NOC can work across the entire stack to isolate the problem and fix it quickly and effectively. Cloud Plus is literally 100% channel, so we work solely through MSPs, and because of that, they know that we're never going to cut their lunch. But it's also important to note that everything we build is for partners. So unlike a lot of suppliers in the market, we don't deliver to retail first and wholesale second. MSPs working with Cloud Plus, they can rely on the fact that we have this pre-integrated suite of services that just works. But beyond that, we've got documented SLAs through sales, service delivery and support. They have named points of contact that they can use. We back them 100% in selling solutions to their clients and in supporting them through the life cycle. Well, one of the critical things to remember is for a lot of MSPs, they're still making this transition from selling hardware, software and professional services into selling recurring revenue. And as they make that transition, you have to be a little bit careful, because if you're moving away from lumpy revenue into recurring revenue, you can have a sudden drop in margin that can really impact the business. But with Cloud Plus, we can enrich what they're doing. We can expand their share of wallet with a client and deliver new margin that helps to offset that sort of problem. Well, the network needs of a typical business are expanding exponentially. Everything lives on the network. So as we progress, it's going to be really critical for businesses to invest in network options that they know will expand as their business does.